Since owning it in July of 2023, I have not done this. So, stay tuned. Okay, we're about to climb up underneath my 2015 Ford Transit 350 HD. Now, this is the rear differential. We're gonna go ahead and take the casing off. What my plan is to go ahead and use my oil drain bucket to go ahead and catch all that, but I think I'm gonna have to use my ramps to help lift it up. That ain't going under. So we got it jacked up just enough. That side is done too, but this slides underneath perfectly. It's even, but now we're gonna go ahead and put a socket on there. I got this, a ratchet, a bag of sockets, 3/8, along with a flathead. Now where we can go ahead and pry this. Before anything drastic happens, I put my bolts over there. They're not nuts, they're all bolts, and keep them in order. I believe this has been taken off before because there's black RTV or some sort of sealant, and this hasn't fallen off yet. And I'm not sure if it's been leaking either, but I'm gonna be cleaning this differential up hardcore this weekend. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and pop this. I'm pretty sure there should be a spot. It's already cracked, I can see it. Nothing's coming out though. That's the sad part about it. But there's a spot here that you guys can hear it. Just don't, oh, there we go. We got some dripping right here. And over here, which is good, a good sign. It's just not a nice color. There we go. It stinks. At least it's dripping out. I don't want it all over me. I'll let it drip for a minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Oh my god, it stinks. There we go, you guys. That right there. Definitely gonna get cleaned up. So I got this stuff. I'm gonna let it drip for a little while.